If your Snapchat public profile isn't showing or you're unable to create one, here are possible reasons and solutions. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in or logged in with your specific account. To make your public profile visible, you must be at least 18 years old to create it, and your Snapchat account should be at least a few weeks old. You also have to verify your birthday in settings, and then you need to also allow the public visibility. For that, click on the profile or Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Then click on the gear icon to access settings. Scroll all the way down and go to privacy control. From here, tap on contact me option and then set it to friends and contacts. And if the option of everyone is available, tap on it to set it. And then go to view my story. Once again, set it to everyone or friends or your contact, any possible public options that are available. And an outdated version of Snapchat may cause issues, so you have to update the app from the Google Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar, search for Snapchat application, and then tap on it. And if you see an update button, something like this, click on update to update it to its latest version available. You can also use a VPN to access Snapchat from a region where public profiles are supported and then try creating it again. And sometimes glitches prevent the profiles from showing up, so you can go ahead and clear the cache of Snapchat application. For that, tap and hold the application, click on the eye icon in the top right corner, scroll down and go to storage, and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all the snaps, chat, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Now come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. You can also go to the Snapchat help and describe the issue and submit your query. Then restart your entire device and launch Snapchat and see if the public profile is now visible to everyone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.